Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix frequent BSOD when laptop or PC is in sleep. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. First check your system support sleep and if so, what states. If any state says does not support it, you cannot use sleep. Sleep study report is saved to file. If sleep not support your laptop or PC, disable sleep option. Select never under screen and sleep. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.